Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Did you know that YouTube Shorts have the incredible power to engage viewers and skyrocket your channel's growth in no time? Stick around as I reveal 8 viral YouTube Shorts hacks that will take your channel to the next level. Welcome back to the channel, where I'm here to share some game-changing tips with all of you content creators out there. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube Shorts and how you can use them to boost your channel fast. Get ready to learn some powerful strategies. Presentation of problem/challenge now. Let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges creators often face when trying to gain visibility and subscribers on YouTube. It's tough out there with the ever-growing competition and changing algorithms. But fear not, as these hacks are here to help you overcome those obstacles. Exploration/development. First up, we have hack number 1, catchy thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title are the first things viewers see, so make them eye-catching and intriguing to draw them in. Next, hack number 2, consistent posting schedule. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Moving on to hack number 3, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and create a sense of community on your channel. Hack number 4, utilize trending topics. Keep an eye on what's hot and create content around popular trends. Hack number 5, collaborate with other creators. Partnering up can introduce your channel to a whole new audience. Hack number 6, optimize for mobile viewing. Since shorts are primarily viewed on mobile devices, ensure your content is optimized for a smaller screen. Hack number 7, use hashtags wisely. Hashtags can help your shorts get discovered, so choose them strategically. And finally, hack number 8, call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel in every short. Climax/key moment now. For the climax, the most effective hack that can truly make a difference in your channel's growth. While all 8 hacks are crucial, I believe that engaging with your audience and creating a strong community around your channel can have the biggest impact on your success. Remember, your viewers are your biggest supporters, so make sure to interact with them regularly. Conclusion/summary. To wrap things up, let's recap the 8 hacks we've discussed today. From catchy thumbnails to engaging with your audience and everything in between, these strategies work together to propel your YouTube channel to new heights. By implementing these hacks consistently, you'll see your channel grow faster than ever before. Call to action, CTA. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to put these hacks into action on your own channel. Try them out, experiment, and don't forget to share your results in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about the incredible progress you make with these 8 viral YouTube Shorts hacks. Until next time, happy creating!